Bonjour, bonjour à vous tous. Moi je m'appelle Monsieur Jules et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo. Aujourd'hui dans cette vidéo, nous allons apprendre les parties extérieures d'une voiture. Do you know the external parts of a car? Today we are going to enrich your vocabulary by learning the external parts of a car. Do you know how a bonnet is called? Do you know how the windscreen is called? How the side mirrors are called in French, the tire. That's why I'm here today to enrich your vocabulary in French in matters pertaining a car. Let's begin this. To begin with, we shall begin with this part that we call the bonnet. The bonnet, and the bonnet in French is called le capot. Inside the bonnet, of course, we have things like the engine, what we call engine. Now we have here these are the lights. We call them les phares. Les phares. They're usually two. Down here we have other lights. We have other lights. I bet on this other side you can see them clearly. Down here we have other lights that we call fog lights. They're called fog lights. In French, they're given the name les phares anti-brouillard. Anti-brouillard, the word brouillard is fog, so they are anti-brouillard. It means when there is fog, you can having them on, you can see clearly. Les phares anti-brouillard. Now here we have this part of the vehicle, this that receives the shock in time whenever you have maybe an accident or something. That's called the bumper. Bumper en français c'est pare-choc. Le pare-choc, c'est le bumper. Et puis nous avons cette partie. This part here, what we call number plate or plate number, en français c'est plaque d'immatriculation. Plaque d'immatriculation, it's quite a long name. And there we have le numéro d'immatriculation. So, plaque d'immatriculation, c'est vraiment important de savoir. From that point, maybe up here, see up here we have this part that we call the windscreen. The windscreen, et en français, windscreen c'est pare-brise. Pare-brise. Le pare-brise, and when it's raining, le pare-brise is usually requiring that you wipe it off the rain. Or it's called a wiper. Called a wiper. Donc en français c'est essuie-glace. L'essuie-glace. L'essuie-glace. From the verb essuyer, to wipe, we have essuie-glace. So this material here is called la glace. You know, la glace. Here we have side mirrors. Side mirrors en français are called rétroviseur. Rétroviseur. And rétroviseur we can add the name rétroviseur externe or extérieur. Why do we add this extérieur inside? We add this because in French it's more about an retrovisor is more about the back, not the sides. Okay, so it's more about the back, so that retro, the back, visor, retrovisor externe. We also have another one inside, that's why we insist on exterior. We have retrovisor anterior inside. We will be learning the parts of a vehicle, the inside, the internal parts of a vehicle in another video. So join part 2 of this for you to see. We have this part here. This part that we call indicators, the indicators to indicate which direction you want to take. En français, on les appelle les clignotants. Les clignotants. Clignotant, from the verb clignoter. Clignoter is to, that action, I don't know what we call it in English. To blink, yeah, blinking. So blinking is clignoter. From that we get clignotant. Okay? Clignotant. Now here we have la porte. La porte. We just call it la porte, like la porte in the door in any in a building or something. So ça c'est la porte, and for you to open it, of course, you will require the handle. So the handle is called la poignée. La poignée de la porte. You open la poignée de la porte, and then here we have la vitre, or what we call also la glace. We can also call it la glace. Okay, ça c'est très bien. Let us go back to this, the wheel. The wheel. A wheel is the entire part. That is called a wheel. En français, c'est roue. d'une roue. Okay, c'est la roue. And with la roue, we have the tire that is called pneu, le pneu, that is the tire. And we have a rim, this is what is holding the wheel, you know, that is the rim, what we call in French, la jante, we call it la jante, that is the rim, la jante. And then we have these nuts here, the nuts is what we call, en français, les écrous. The nuts are called les écrous. And then we have here the nozzle, you know, the nozzle where you use, you know, whenever you have a deflated tire, you can use that. The nozzle is called in French un ajoutage, l'ajoutage. Très bien. Maintenant, on va passer à l'arrière-partie de la voiture, à partir de l'arrière de la voiture. Ici, nous allons commencer tout de suite avec ce qu'on appelle boot en anglais. We call this boot, the boot. And with the boot in French it's called coffre. Un coffre. You can use to carry whatever you have, le coffre. And here we have a wiper. We had learned a wiper, so I know it's the same thing. We also call it an essuie-glace. Une essuie-glace. Essuie-glace. Up here, you can see we have an area here that is supposed to be sorting out the radio. So this area is called antenne, an antenne. Okay, l'antenne. And then we have these lights. We call them les faux arrière. Okay, the faux arrière because there are many. They are supposed to be the back lights. Donc les faux arrière. Down here we have a bumper, just as we had called the front bumper. We can also call it pare-choc. We call it le pare-choc. And as I told you, in Canadian French, they prefer using bumper just as un bumper. En français du Canada. Donc, un bumper. Et voilà, j'espère que nous avons tout nommé. Mais peut-être si nous pouvons voir ça, c'est parti. Eh? On les appelle windbreaker. The windbreaker, this one. En français, on les appelle les coupe-vent. Les coupe-vent. Merci beaucoup. I hope you have learned something at least. If this video interests you, please feel free to subscribe and ask questions, comments and such kind of things. Merci beaucoup. Abonnez-vous s'il vous plaît et donne-moi un chapeau et un pouce. Et comme ça, nous allons bien continuer. C'est ça pour le moment.